Hello again, entrepreneurs. This is DSI, and I am Lawrence. Now that you're generating supplemental income through our AU Facilitator program, it's time to reveal the greatest opportunity for those with excellent credit, the Empire Starter. Your excellent credit score can open so many doors, and fast. It is the key to accessing the most advanced, fully automated business system available today. Let me show you what makes the Empire Starter a game changer for your business. First up, you'll get a custom designed website. This isn't just any website. It's a sophisticated digital headquarters working 24/7 to attract leads and convert them into paying customers while you sleep. This alone can transform your business presence overnight. Next, we provide an AI-driven ad management system that outperforms traditional marketing agencies. It automatically identifies your perfect prospects, creates compelling advertisements, then optimizes your campaigns in real time. Imagine consistent lead generation without the headache of managing ads yourself. And here's the kicker: our complete AI sales and lead automation system. Say goodbye to manual follow-ups. Our system handles every step from initial contact to final sale using advanced AI that adapts and improves with each interaction. But that's not all. We'll also implement full e-commerce functionality, provide merchant account assistance, and deliver monthly funding readiness reports. These reports position you to access significant capital, leveraging your excellent credit profile. What truly sets our Empire Starter apart is the comprehensive business coaching you'll receive during the critical first 30 days. Our team ensures your automated system is perfectly customized for maximum results in your specific market. Our most successful clients, those who implement our complete Empire Starter system, typically see automated sales within the first 21 days. Within 90 days, many are generating consistent 5-figure monthly revenue, requiring less than 5 hours per week of oversight. The payment plans for this premium solution are structured to report positively to credit bureaus, further strengthening your excellent credit profile while building your automated business empire. Take Robert, a former corporate employee who generated $37,000 in his first 60 days through our automated processes, all while maintaining his full-time job. The difference between struggling entrepreneurs and those building wealth quickly isn't just hard work. It's having the right systems. Our Empire Starter delivers the most sophisticated, comprehensive automation system available today. On the next page, you'll see our complete range of business builder options. While we offer solutions at various levels, I strongly recommend our Empire Starter for anyone serious about building significant wealth through automation. Our team handles the complete implementation, so you can focus exclusively on growth and expansion. Let's build your empire together